guys, today we will be going to play Minecraft Pocket Edition episode 5, I think. Yeah, episode 5, yeah, no, episode 4, yeah. And probably uploading it in daytime. I'm not uploading it daytime. I have to edit it. Man, I hate editing. But I like it because I need to form stuff, you know. Form that. So guys, today we will be venturing to the lands and we will live there happily ever after. I don't know what I'm talking about, but oh, my voice hurts. And guys, since we have found an ocean, this is gonna be a boring part, so I might fast forward, and it's not boring anymore. This is where I found the slime block. Yeah, this is where I find the slime block. Yeah, right here. Well, it's full moon. Slime dudes were there. It's actually a weird island. Swamp island in the middle of something, and that's a mushroom. We are hoping for a sand temple. I need a saddle. We need a saddle. We all need saddles. Oh my no, guys. I am adventuring. I'm rushing. Guys, we really need to, you know. Man, we really need, like. We just need stuff, okay? We need to get a horse as fast as we do. Okay, my voice hurts. Wait. Okay, guys. So here we go. I'm back. And what's good, guys? Leave a like down below. Well, actually, I have to say it in the intro, but I don't freaking care. Just it's there. If you like to continue the series, I'm going with 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs, so I kill myself. Yeah, I'll kill myself. JK, not really. I'm not gonna impersonate PewDiePie. But guys, oh, we already found something. Is this a freaking not a desert? Yep, that's freaking not a desert. So I'm playing Minecraft 3 AM because I'm actually not playing it at 3 AM. Just playing it at 8 AM. I don't freaking know what I'm talking about. Really hurts in my ears. God thanks. I think I didn't say a bad word. I don't say bad words in this channel. I don't like saying bad words. Here we go. Here's Swampy where I found my slime block. Wait. I don't have to shout this. I don't have to talk that loud because I need to, you know, venture to the islands where I need to venture to the islands because I need to venture to the islands because if I don't, I'm going to die and don't venture in the islands, then what am I talking about? Guys, if you like to continue the series again, we're going for 8 lives, okay? 8 lives is not that bad. Come on, go for that. We can do that. Okay, we can do that. Finding something else. Other slime block. I'm actually getting a little past. I don't freaking care. We need it. Hey. Guys, I'm talking about why I didn't upload videos. There's school. Okay, there is school. And we need to go to school. You know, I don't want to skip classes and just do YouTube videos. You know, not YouTube is not yet my life. We're just not even halfway there, but sometimes it's life. Ugh, apple pancake. There we go. Just have to warm up. Guys, sometimes you really need to maintain your games and your studies, yeah. Or else if you don't maintain it, well, you're dead. You're freaking dead. Yeah, you're freaking dead. Because if you don't maintain it, you're not gonna study at some awesome school like my school. Really awesome. I don't want to leave it. I don't really want to leave it. But we're going to Canada. I have to house tour in Canada. Guys, I really want to go to Philippines. No, I really want to stay in Philippines. I don't want to go to Canada. But guys, life is life. It's what happened. It's what happened. What's up? Man, if only I will stay in Philippines, I would be so happy. But we're going to Canada, and I don't know why. Why am I even staying? Why am I even going to Canada? Like, I don't like it there, but my mom's there. But my mom needs help and stuff like that. I don't want to leave my mom. Okay, so we're gonna go venturing the island. So we can actually we can upload a video more than 20 videos, and the editing freaks laggy. Editing will be a lot. Yeah. Is this even auto jump? Like, what the fuck? I said fudge, not the F-U-C-K word. I don't say bad words. As I say, guess bad words are bad. That's why it's bad, okay? Say bad words. Okay, I don't want to say it. I'm not going to say it when that's the fucking thing. Raining! I thought the Chiefs were like that's the thing. Actually, raining reduces my hunger fast. Reduces it. I need to go up there. My goal is to fight the weather. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. So I'm not gonna get that. Wait. Today, I can talk later. Guys, my voice, I'm not gonna make it loud. I'm not gonna rest my life. Let's rest my life. Actually, it's not my life. You know? Alright there. There we go. And go with it. Alright, let's go to some caves. I'm making stuff. There, 16. There we go, the bicycle. The fort there. 2 minutes and we have to demolish up the spots from here. Because we need to do a fort, so let's go. We're gonna die. Where's the cave? Where's the cave? Freaking. Wow, sounds good though. Okay, dance the fucking thing. I'm not gonna go for it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We need to camp and that's it. Okay, why do we need camp? We need camps. Guys, if you're not yet informed on the infections series, so the previous video will be, I think, in the next video. I think it's recommended on my channel. So guys, if you're not yet watching the faction series, guys, you need to watch my channel. And just guys, if you wanna compete with the faction series, you know that. That's it. Boom, yes, we're here. Okay. Let me go with it. It's not a fort. Wait, the green is gone. It's really like this is but I think we're in normal mode. I don't like this mode. Yep, we're in normal mode. So let's get in freaking hungry. Yeah, we'll make torches. Here we go. And I need this. Torches. We will destroy it. Don't worry. I need XP. Wait, the XP. We'll build the stuff here because we need to build stuff. Okay? Sometimes we need to live in a mysterious way. We're gonna demolish stuff here. We're just gonna do a mining parkour. Just stay here for a minute. It's not a minute. It's 5 wood. You're going. Take it. That's 20. We'll demolish that. There we go. Just leave it. If we build a fort here, we can go explore stuff. And we'll like a crafting table put it down. Just put it down there. I don't care. I don't live here for something. I want to get some wood. We'll use ourselves. We'll use ourselves for. Let's see if we use a face. This is what I mean. It's a piece of stuff, okay? So, what's up with that? Okay, we just have to get it. We need like this, because we need wood. Yeah, we need this wood. We need wood to live here in this game. Really cool. What is the remote actually doing here? Okay, I'm gonna put that one away. And I'll find one more wood, and that's going to be the last. We're gonna this one more. What are we gonna eat in 400? Get 400 bucks are done. Okay? That's going to be the last one. Something to get a little bit. My house there in the other base. That's probably what I'm doing. Crap. This kind of cave that leads nowhere, yeah. A cave that leads nowhere. Okay. I'm just gonna heal for the gold. We need a gold. We need gold here, guys. Okay. So we'll leave the village there. RP village. I missed that village, but I'm gonna be back there for a couple of years. Okay, we need to craft. What did I craft? Oh, we craft wood. Wood. So I'm gonna make like a cell for the thing. For the camp. Of course we need chests. We have to clean this place. First thing. Kind of nothing this time. We're all set for the camp. Just like you can read. Stop. Oh, it's gonna be nighttime here. The rain could stop. Where will we go? No, it's not even out. Just get this stuff. Okay, we'll begin this thing, this thing. And to get it, it's probably my time now for the ability to go out in the woods. Oh, it's really loud! It's 40 minutes, and I'm like a fan. We will be on 15 minutes. I feel vlogging it. Okay, that's fine. I will be just stop the video and it's gonna be a long adventure. So you guys, peace. Guys, I made a quick base. The rain won't stop and it's nighttime. So kinda we'll wait for nighttime. Yep, we have to wait for nighttime. Stay here for maybe a minute. We have to do this. Just block the way here. This is the way. It's just a quick base. My truck really hurts a lot. That's what I have to say. Because I have to really hit. Okay. All I think we can make from metal parts armor now. But can we make a saddle? No, we can't. We're too ugly. Freak. Shabakadu. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm stopping it until 17 minutes. I'm not gonna stop it. Stop me. Okay. I'm gonna be making my base here. So I'm gonna do cobblestone walls. Cobblestone walls. It's a good base. That's what the base is. Man, I hate this. See what season is rain. Here we go. We're staying here. It's still night time. I'll be back. Guys, almost stayed. But the rain won't stop. It's not yet stopping, I know. Clock almost daytime. Sarcastic mode. Oh, it's so boring to stay here. Okay, I need to get some cookies. Let me make it trash. Trash. Yeah. Just trash. Trash. All trash. Trash. I need leather. Need strings. Need that. I only need one. It's not bad. You can stack them. We don't need dirt. The rain stopped. Finally. It stopped, but it's still night time. So we can't sleep because we don't have. Well, guys. Sorry guys. I'll be back. Okay, apparently I'm gonna end the video. Let's wrap it up here. Well, bad sound effects. Again, my guitar. Guys, if you guys like the video, please leave a like. Really, nigga. Leave a like. Thanks. Okay guys, I'm done. Guys, if you like the video, hit the like button down below and bye guys.